Are you ready to launch an online business but don't know where to start? Well, I'm here to help you out. I've put together a list of 5 profitable website ideas for you to get inspired. Let's go!
Alright, let's start with the easy stuff. If you're setting up any business, a captivating company website is going to be vital for your success. A well-designed site packed with business info will boost your credibility and trustworthiness. The design of your company website or app is important for several reasons. Perhaps the biggest is that you could eventually have tens of thousands of visitors landing here on a daily basis. You'll be creating a digital face for your company. It's also worth remembering that in many cases, your company website will be the only thing people look at when deciding whether or not to buy from you. So having one can increase your on-site sales significantly. Also, a company website is a great way to increase conversion rates and reach a wider customer base. Well, whatever your objectives are, ensure you choose a business web design to fit your needs. During these tough times, internet users are relying more on online purchases. When you're selling online, you want to make sure that your website represents who you are and what you do. Web design is critical when creating an e-commerce website. Good e-commerce web design is all about using the right colors, typography, images, and graphics to convince visitors to make a purchase. You'll also need to use cool product photos and descriptions. As well as being cost-effective, an online store will help you reach a wider audience regardless of your geographical location. Every e-commerce website has to perfect 3 different things: aesthetics, function, and user experience. An online store will need to have its web pages designed, programmed, and published. Or, if you want to speed up the process and have it cost you less money too, you could use an e-commerce website builder, for example, Zyro. Now you can use our coupon code HE10 to get 10% off your purchase. An event website works as a deal maker or a total deal breaker. Not only is it the official point of contact for you and your attendees, it is also a reflection of what your event is all about. Event websites usually have a clear and simple goal: sell tickets. So there should always be a clear call to action and plenty of scheduling information. It's also the perfect platform for managing the informative stuff, such as all the details of a wedding. If your big day is coming up, use the website to collect RSVPs, suggest local hotels, and post photos afterwards. If you're the entrepreneurial type, putting on a sporting event, music night, or conference day is easy with a slick online presence. Get clever with your marketing strategy too, and you can drive traffic directly to the event website, making crazy conversions. If you're a frequent traveler, a keen photographer, and a great storyteller rolled in one, set up a travel blog website and share your adventures with the world. For a travel site, design can be the determining factor in whether a visitor trusts recommendations and information. It also needs to have straightforward travel information, helpful logistical details, and tips that will help visitors simplify the travel process. Fill your website with the hottest tips like top restaurants, upcoming theater events, and hip new hotels. With a loyal following in place, you can start to make a financial success of your blog site. You can offer to promote affiliated products for a fee, like suitcases or hiking shoes. You could even set up a member subscription service for your most dedicated users with a platform like Patreon. And don't forget to be active on social media, since that will keep people engaged and invested in your travels. Nowadays, e-learning is becoming one of the most promising software development markets. So if you're a specialist in a particular subject, why not set up an e-learning website? Remember, you're providing both a valuable and invaluable service: knowledge. The best education website design solutions will support this knowledge through a clean layout, captivating images, and engaging features. You'll be making a difference, and you could make a profit too. Education should be accessible for everyone, and online classrooms are a good place to start. Your lessons could have a global reach at a minimal cost, so you should understand your target customers and their needs. With increased visibility and easy registration, you'll also get the chance to put together a mailing list of customers that you'd like to invite to your future events. All it takes is a great website.
Alright, now all you need to do is choose the idea that appeals to you the most and start your online journey. Feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to Hosting Your Academy so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Cheers!